Hello, I'm Tomasz. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install OpenCV on iPi. We are using Debian Image SOS. Before beginning the installation procedure, let me tell you why it is important. OpenCV, Open Source Computer Vision, is an open source computer vision library and has bindings for C++, Python and Java. It is used in a vast range of applications, including medical image analysis, stitching street view images, surveillance video, detecting and recognizing faces, tracking moving objects, extracting 3D models, and much more. OpenCV can take full advantage of multi-core processing and features GPU acceleration for real-time operation. There are many latest versions of OpenCV Python modules, but they may not be suitable for your repository. At this moment, OpenCV 3.2.0 is available for standard Debian 10 Buster repository. Let us start now. Do you think that Raspberry Pi camera will work on our iPi? Yes, absolutely. Let us execute the code, and for other connections, please check the links below. So you saw how good it is and how short inferencing times are. You can do many more things, interesting things with our iPi, so keep watching, stay tuned, like, share, and bye bye!